Okay, so here we have 3 times of 2x minus 5 is actually 6x minus 15. What is this process called? To go from the left hand side to the right hand side, what is this process called? Factorization. Expansion, yes, expansion. Okay, so let's call it over 3 times 2x minus 5. When we go over to this side, it is called expansion. What if we go from 6x minus 15 to 3 times of 2x minus 5? What is it called? Factorization. Are you all familiar with getting 3 times of 2x minus 5 from 6x minus 15? Okay, let's practice. Exercise 1. How long do you think you need? 1 minute for everything, are you sure? No lah, let's take 3 minutes. Okay, let's try 3 minutes. So we'll stop at 10:55. Part A. I think I can take out 7. So 7, 4e plus 3. If it's correct, gives us a tick. Second one. I think I can take out 4. No, I can take out 8. Okay, 8. So 3x minus 5y. Next, I think I can factorize out 2 pi r. So I'm left with r plus h. Okay? Next one. Wow, so many negative signs. I think I can factorize out negative 6. Do you factorize out negative? Okay, if I factorize out negative 6, I'm left with 3 plus 4 uv plus v. Can? Next, I think I can factorize out 4x. So I'm left with x minus 6. Next one, I think I can factorize out 5x, leaving me with 3y minus 2z plus 5w. Oh, last one. Looks complex. I think I can factorize out a square. I can factorize out x square, leaving me with 4 minus 3a plus 5x. Okay, who got everything correct? All of you, please pay attention. Listen carefully. I think with the exercise above, you may have a clue on how to do this question. Is there a common factor for part A? Is there a common factor? What is the common factor? E minus 2f is the common factor. You see that it is found in both terms. So what shall I factorize out? E minus 2f. Excellent. So this gives me E minus 2f. That is the common factor. I factorize it out. Then I must open a bracket. What is left in the first term? 3d in the first term. What about the second term? 1 or minus 1 or plus 1? Minus 1. Okay? Because there's an invisible 1 over here hiding. Alright? Now if I choose to expand it, we are done already. If I choose to expand it to check, okay, I can use my rainbow method. So E multiplied to 3d plus minus 1 to give me E times, the other way around. Let's use this to multiply to 3d. So E minus 2f times 3d. Then the same term multiplied to negative 1 minus 1 times of E minus 2f. And we see that it is the same. We have the original equation again. Original expression. Okay, can you see that they are the same? Can? Okay, then now Can you try part B? Part B is not straightforward at all. It is not straightforward. Okay, come, let's do this. This is the same as G 2H minus 5. And then what should I write next? Minus F and 2H minus 5 again. Yes. So we factorize out 2H minus 5. And we're left with G minus F. You see? Okay, moving on. Factorize each of the following completely. Sound familiar? Can you do this? You got 4 terms, right? So you need to group them in pairs. Within each pair, they must have common factors. So let's try. X plus 2y is the common factor. That's what you say, huh? So what am I left with? 3 minus 3. X plus 2y. Agree? Take some time. Look at it carefully. What about the square? Okay, if you can't get this, let me rewrite this. This x plus 2y is actually another x plus 2y, right? Right? So I factorize out x plus 2y one time. So what is left? This is what is left. Is there anything else to factorize? I heard the answer already. Can you say it loudly? 3. Isn't 3 a common factor as well? Look, we've got this 3 over here and this 3 over here. Aren't they also common factors? Right? So I could have factorized it out together. I could have placed the 3 over here. Then this would have been 1. Agree? Okay, one more time. I'll do everything in one step. I am now going to take out common factors. The common factor is 3. Agree that both of them have 3's? I'm going to take it out. Agree that both of them have x plus 2y? Agree? I'm going to take it out as well. I'm going to factorize these two out at the same time. What is left for the first term over here? After I factorize out 3 times x plus 2y, what am I left with? 1. Excellent. Now I'm done with the first one. Second one over here. This is the second term. I'm going to factorize out 3 times of x plus 2y. What am I left with? What is the sign? Negative what? I take out 3 times of x plus 2y. What am I left with? Negative? Well, are you sure 1 or not? I've got 2 of them, x plus 2y, x plus 2y. I only factorize out one time. Negative x plus 2y with the brackets again. Okay, this step. Who has problems? Need me to explain? Raise our hand. Oh, do you want to put a 1 over here? Do you need to? No need lah, it's the same 1 times something is still the same. Okay, so we shall remove that 1 over there. Now it is time to expand the brackets inside. So I have 3 times of x plus 2y, 1 minus x, plus or minus? Plus or minus 2y? Minus 2y. Done. Okay, let me continue to highlight the common factors. So here I've got 1, here I've got 1. Factorizing out the green and the yellow one at the same time, leaving me with 1 minus x plus 2y. So this is the type of question that we can expect for our test. Okay, so included it over here already. Next. Okay. 2.3. Let us expand this out. Okay, let's expand it. We have 2x multiplied by 3x minus 5. So this gives me 2x times 3x minus 5. Then I have 7 multiplied by 3x minus 5. Agree that they're the same? This is our expansion. Then we get 6x squared minus 10x plus 21x minus 35, and subsequently 6x squared minus 11x minus 35. Okay? Now, our goal is to go from here to here. Do you think you can do it? Okay, so I'll teach you. Okay, these steps so far. Now we're going to go backwards. You see, from a x squared term, I've got a 6x squared, then a minus 11x minus 35. There are 3 of them. I want to go from here to 2 brackets. Yes. Oh, plus 11x. Yes, yes. Thank you. Plus 11x. Okay, so I want to go from 3 terms over here to 2 brackets. So let me just write that down first. I've got 3 terms, x squared term, x term, and a constant. You need to recognize this, Recognize this. Listen carefully to what I say. Recognize this. X squared term. Okay, x squared term over here. With x term. X term. And a constant term. Constant term. We are going to go from here to get 2 brackets. Okay, so we just put in the 2 brackets first. Now the question is, hey, what actually goes inside here? So, you look on the... Okay, this is what I need to draw first. As a working, this is our working. Can you draw this? Oh, you all have that already? Hey, how come I don't have? What do you have? You have boxes, right? You have something like this? Okay. When was the last time you saw 4 boxes like this? Is it which page is it? This one. You see the boxes over here? It's the same 4 boxes where we had x, m inside here, and then under the b side we've got y, m. Under c we have x, n. Okay, can't really see clearly. X, n. And finally for d we've got y, n. Are you all familiar with this? Familiar? We are just multiplying. So as long as I can form these 4, I can work backwards to get x plus y multiplied by m plus n. Okay, that was over here. X plus y multiplied by m plus n. So to reverse it, I need to fill up the 4 boxes over here first. Then I can write down how I factorize it. So back to this question. Something times something, something over here plus something over here multiplied by something over here plus something over here. When we multiply them together, we will get x squared plus 3x plus 2. Okay? So now, I want you to follow very carefully. I want you to write down x squared over here. Okay? Where do I have x squared in the question? Yes, right? Okay. So that is where it came from. I'm going to put it over here. Okay, so far? Now I'm going to put a 2 over here. Positive 2. Okay? Now, here I've got 2 more blanks. What do you think these two blanks, when added up, will give me? 3x, yeah, you're right. Because the whole point of this 4 boxes is that when I add everything up, I am supposed to get x squared plus 3x plus 2. Do you remember that? Everything add up, I'm supposed to get x squared plus 3x plus 2. I already have my x squared, I already have 2. So the remaining 2 boxes, when added up, must give me 3x. What do you think? This is the part where we guess and check. Okay? This is the part where we guess and check. What do you think will be in these 2 boxes? What do you think? X and 3. We add them up, do you get x squared plus 3x plus 2? X and 2x. Okay, this is one possibility, right? I'm not saying that this must be the answer. This is one possibility. Is there another possibility? Yeah, how about this? 2x over here and x over here. Is this also possible? Yes, any other possibilities that you can think of? Huh? 3x and 0 also. When we add everything up, we get x squared plus 3x plus 2, right? How about 0 and 3x? Also possible, right? How about 1.5x and 1.5x? Also possible, right? Oh, you have so many, how to choose? Okay, so the questions that we're going to give you, right? They're not going to be very complex. They are not going to be complex. It's going to be easy to guess. In addition, the more we practice, the faster we become. Okay, let's just put it as 2x and x first. Let's say this is what we have. This is one possibility. What do you think goes into the blank over here? X, and over here what will it be? Remember our 2.1? This box over, this one over here. If I want an xm, how did I get an xm? I look at x over here and m over here, isn't it? So x times m must give me xm. So back to this question. If I've got x over here, I've got x squared in the box, what must this blank be? Yeah, it must be x. Okay? Now, if this is x, then what must this be? Now, one more time. If this is x and this is 2x, what must this be? How much? 2. Because x times 2 gives me 2x. You must remember that the numbers in the boxes, they come by multiplication. One from the top, one from the side. Must always remember that. So this must be 2. Okay? Now, if this is 2 and this is 2, what must this be? It must be 1, yes. Is there any... Okay, we have tested all these already. Is there any other box that we haven't tested? X. Can we check that? X times 1 gives me x. So do you think my answer is correct? Yes, the final answer is correct. So can you now tell me what goes into the 2 blanks? X plus 2. The other side? X plus 1. Is it complex? Complicated? For a start, a bit hard to remember. That's why we need to practice. As long as you get the logic, you practice, you'll be okay. Let's try the next one together. By the way, do you want to work backwards and see whether you get whether your answer is correct? Let's try that. So apparently we are saying that these two are the same. Right hand side equals to, expand, x squared plus x plus 2x plus 2 equals to x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals to left hand side. I'm happy with my answer. I'm sure it is correct. Okay, this is how I check. Now let's try for the other one. Okay, we've got boxes. Can we fill in the top left hand? What is it? X squared. The bottom? 8. Very good. Now I've got 2 more boxes left. What do you think there will be? 3x. Okay, let's try. 3x and 3x. Okay, so if this is the case, let me fill in the blanks at the top. What will this be? Above the x squared. It will be x, yes. And on this side? On this side, beside the x? Must be x. No choice, right? No choice one. Definitely correct. Okay, now for the 8 over here. What do you want it to be? What should I put over here? 3? Okay. If I put a 3 over here, 3 times x gives me 3x, correct? Okay. Then what should I put over here? Should I put a 3 as well? So that x times 3 gives me 3x, is that correct? Correct? Then what about this one? Is it correct? Is it correct? No, it is not correct. Because 3 times 3 gives me 9. Does it give me 8? So this means that I guessed wrongly. Okay, restart. Oh, wait, 4-2, 4-2. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, I think you all know how to do it already lah. So what should I put over here? 4. X or 4? Okay, what about the other one? 2x. Okay, let's try again. What is on top? X. No choice, X, and the other side? X as well. No choice, no choice. So what do we have over here? 4. Okay, let's check. 4 times x gives me 4x. Okay, looks correct. So this one is correct already. What should I put over here? 2. Let's put a 2 over here. 2 times x gives me 2x. Okay, correct. And is there one more I haven't checked? So last one that we want to check will be the 8 over there, isn't it? So 2 times 4 gives me 8. Yes, I'm not happy. All 4 are correct. So what is my answer? X plus 4, x plus 2. Okay? Getting a bit more familiar now? Can I? Okay. So practice. Let's try exercise 5. Do you want me to do it with you? Yes. Actually, no time. We only have 30 seconds left. Okay, I'll just do it on my own. You do it on your own.